Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 2 minus 2 times 2 by 2. So are you ready to solve? So let's go ahead and get started. So 2 minus 2 gives 0 and 0 times 2 by 2. 0 times 2 is 0 by 2 which is equals to 2. But this answer is not correct. So no correct path. The fraction can be written as parenthesis 2 minus 2 times 2 by 2. So we have to follow an order of operation which is PEMD, where P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So first do parenthesis, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and then finally addition and subtraction. So remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction have to similar priority, so we have to go from left to right. So in this expression, parenthesis and then this division. So according to PEMDAS, you have to handle the parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis, we have subtraction. So 2 minus 2 times 2 is 4 by 2. Now we have to do subtraction. 2 minus 4 is minus 2 by 2, which is equals to minus 1. So this is the correct answer of this fraction. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video.